All right, we got the new Mojave grom on the bench, and this one is converted to brushless. Pop the hood for you guys real quick. Got the hobbywing 10 scale quick run ESC, 1/16 scale motor or 1/18 scale motor. Still running the factory fan. Got more space, could put a bigger motor in if you needed to or wanted to, or a longer motor. Got the Spectrum SR215 in there. Still running the stock servo. Servo's plenty fast, pretty strong. We'll wait till that breaks to upgrade it. I also had to trim out the body quite a bit. As you can see, half of the body inside, the bracing is gone to make everything fit, or make room for everything to fit. So that was one thing, but as you can see, it goes on real easy. Try to do this with one hand. Comes off just as easy. So if you do put the bigger ESC in it, you will have to trim your body. But yeah, other than that, on 2S, I don't know the top speed, but on 3S, it will do 42 miles an hour. Nice little fun vehicle. Hopefully the next video, in the next day or two, we can get some running footage. But other than that, everybody have a blessed day. Y'all have a great one. Catch y'all in the next one.